not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is me.
Birthday, Mama. Ayun, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng healthy pang pangangatawan and lagi lang masaya. Saka salamat sa lahat ng mga paggabay niyo sa amin ni Jonah. Always, ayun, mag-iingat po kayo palagi and stay healthy. Happy birthday po ulit.
Wish ko lang naman talaga may enjoy mo yung life and all. That's why on my gift and all, ang ibibigay ko talaga sa iyo, ang gusto ko is travel. So mag-Hong Kong tayo, kasama si na Mama and si Papa right after this. And aside from that, kasi it's something na hindi naman tangible na mabibigay ko yung trip, di ba? Gusto ko may ibigay na something na ngayon makukuha mo.
Happy birthday! Sana pag magbabago ang pagmamahal mo sa amin ng anak mo, saka sa akin. Sana dati ka pa rin, magmula simula. Ugali mo, di wag magbabago. Mahal na mahal ka namin, lalo ng anak mo. Suporta mo sa amin, sana wag magbabago. I love you so much.
Binabati lang po namin kayo. Happy birthday. Sana happy lang. Enjoy mo yung araw na to. Saka, ayun, mahal ka namin. Mahal ka namin. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ma!
For birthdays to come, Mama. And sana every year, dito tayo. Yun, for birthdays to come.
Happy birthday!
We love you.
I love you!
I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.